In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Yahoo Mail account from Yahoo homepage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can sign in quickly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, any modern browser works fine. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site. The address should read yahoo.com with a secure lock icon next to it. On the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right corner and click Sign In. If you see a sign in prompt or button again on the next screen, go ahead and click Sign In there as well. This takes you to Yahoo's secure login page. If Yahoo shows you an account you've previously used on this browser, click Existing Account to select it. That's the quickest route if your email is already recognized. If you don't see your account listed, no problem. Type your email address in the email field instead. Once your email is entered, press enter on your keyboard to move to the password screen. On the password page, carefully type your password. Take a moment to double check for typos and make sure caps lock isn't on by mistake. If there's a show or eye icon, you can use it briefly to confirm you've typed the password correctly, especially on a private device. When you're ready, press enter or click next to continue. Sometimes Yahoo may prompt you one more time to proceed, so press enter again if you see that prompt. If you have extra security enabled, like verification codes, follow the on-screen instructions. Those prompts can vary, but they appear right after the password step and help keep your account safe. After a successful sign-in, you'll be returned to the Yahoo homepage, and you should see that you're logged in, typically indicated by your profile icon in the upper right corner. From here, you're all set to access your mail and other Yahoo services without entering your details again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure your internet connection is stable while you sign in. Keep your browser up to date for the best compatibility and security. If you ever mistype your email or password, re-enter it slowly and try again. And if you're on a shared computer, consider signing out when you're done to protect your privacy. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.